National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Montague County in north-central Texas, northwestern Wise County in north-central Texas, northeastern Jack County in north-central Texas, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Jacksboro, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bowie, Jacksboro, St. Joe, Sunset, Lake Amonji Carter, Newport, Montague, Cundiff, Lost Creek Reservoir, Fruitland, Park Springs, Caps Corner, Crafton, Forestburg, Mallard, and Bonita. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning.